Worker Applications, and now it's time to come fly with Amy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy. I'm a professional traveler and travel agent who lives in Orlando, Florida. So today I'm doing something extra fun. I am being hosted by Original Orlando Tours, and we're doing a Winter Park foodie tour. So if you've been following my channel for a little bit, we recently did the Icon Park foodie tour with Original Orlando back a couple months ago, and it was so amazing, and I'm so excited to do this one. So if you're not familiar with the landscape of Orlando, Winter Park is about 30 minutes from Disney World, give or take a little bit of traffic. But Winter Park is known for a couple different things. Winter Park was the home of Mr. Rogers. Yes, Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. Rollins College is also out in Winter Park, and there's a cute little historic downtown area which you're gonna see in this video today. Winter Park is a great little hub where people gather and dine and shop, lots of local businesses, and I'm really excited to test out some of the food today. So let's go enjoy a food tour. Our first stop is at the Alfond Inn. We are going to be dining at Hamilton's Kitchen first. If you didn't already know, Winter Park used to be home to a number of peacocks. Unfortunately, the peacocks have left the area, but a lot of odes to them still remain. Every Saturday in downtown Winter Park, there is a farmer's market that hosts all sort of local small businesses. From the Bearded Vegan, we tried a beef patty and it was delicious. Chulala hosted us to try some of their cream puffs. Boy, do they have some delicious desserts. Personally, I tried the cookies and cream puff. Our next stop was Blue on the Avenue, which is known for their seafood. Here we tried a smoked salmon appetizer, and boy was it good. Next stop is Fresh & Co., which is a new addition to the Winter Park area. Here we sampled a number of their salad and healthier entree options. Everything is made fresh every day. Next up is Rocket Fizz. This is your corner candy shop store. At this stop, we sampled a number of flavored sodas as well as some black licorice. Our last stop was the Vintage Vault. Here we sampled some wine as well as did some shopping. And there was our tour of downtown Winter Park with Original Orlando Tours. This was the foodie tour of Winter Park. I hope you enjoyed all the content and all the delicious bites I showed you. Remember, all these are local businesses, so it's really cool to be able to hear about the history of Winter Park and then hear about how the businesses came to be what they are today. Original Orlando is such a great business, and their tours are so amazing. As I mentioned, this is my second tour with them. It will absolutely not be my last. The value on the tour is amazing, and it's such a nice way to spend your Saturday, to learn about the history of these little niches of Orlando. I will drop their link down below in the description. Again, thank you to them for hosting me today. I look forward to coming back and visiting. If you're looking for more information on these tours and others, feel free to drop a comment down below or reach out to me with the email in the description. And until next time, happy travels. Bye.